This 2019 Coach House Platinum 261XL is a Class B Plus RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used coach house is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features a cherry, maple, teak interior, sleeps 3, slide-out, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus features rear bedroom. This 2019 Coach House Platinum 261XL is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.